Hi everyone, welcome to Legally Yours. Today we're here with EJ Wise from Wise Law, and this video is going to be a little bit about a business and the differences between a cyber security specialist and a cyber lawyer and what you actually provide as part of your service, because I think it's still, big corporates are still struggling with this issue and getting their heads around it. So this one I just wanted to really break it down to say what are the differences than if I as a business owner went and got some whiz-bang security software.
Yep.
And saw a security specialist to actually engaging EJ Wise from Wise Law. Over to you.
Thank you. So one of the wonderful lessons I learned in the military is we can get very tunnelled. And that's not a bad thing. It's sometimes a very useful and important thing. Yeah. When you only look at a square peg and you have square pegs in your hand and a hammer, that's what you're going to do. Okay. The thing for a law firm or any business is that you're a range of vulnerabilities.
Yes.
So you may employ a cybersecurity person, you may employ an IT person, and they're excellent at their job, but neither of them do the same thing.
Okay.
You have an information security person who also doesn't do the same thing as those two positions. You may have someone who you have as your CISO or your CIO, and again, they may not be communicating with the board about what's actually needed. So yes. I like to step back and look at the whole picture. So a cybersecurity person, absolutely vital, and they're going to do that piece.
Yes.
And if you talk to them and say, well, we feel that our business model has been compromised, we feel like we've had IP theft, we'd actually like you to come through and do a sweep of our physical office environment and of all of our IT equipment for bugs, interference, any kind of malware. A lot of the cybersecurity firms won't do that.
Okay.
So I guess and this is coming back to the military, they teach you very much that the operational environment is physical, it's the information, and then yes, it's also the, if you like, cyber, the technology, digital side.
That's right, it's a whole range.
It's a whole range, and one without the other. So you may have the best software, the best IT, the best everything, and you're a bit laissez-faire with the receptionist. You didn't do a sort of any kind of security check on that person.
Yes.
And
or even just closing or locking office doors, or where the restricted levels of where people can go and visitors can go.
Yep.
So it's a whole range of things.
Locking your computer when you go to the toilet.
Oh, God,
and I know
absolutely.
that each one of these things takes a moment, but that's all it takes to get compromised.
Absolutely. And there's one other difference, I guess, with you to a cybersecurity firm is because you are a lawyer, you come under client legal privilege.
Yes. So if I'm going into especially I suppose one of my colleagues who are lawyers or are a law firm, there'll be advice that I give them that is subject to legal professional privilege, and therefore if there were things in there that they were later found not to have implemented, that advice remains under theirs. Whereas I suppose legal professional privilege, if it were an ethical problem, could still be pierced, I suppose, through the professional indemnity insurer that all lawyers have. But ultimately, it's a layer of protection that a standard computer or cyber specialist probably doesn't have.
Okay, fantastic. So if this is resonating with you, if you would like to engage EJ to come and do a sweep of your office, and I don't mean that physically with a broom, head to our website at legallyyours.com.au and we can connect you with EJ there. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.